Hey guys, how are you doing? iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max users, very limited number of users have reported in Apple support communities and Reddit discussion forums that their iPhone is not turning on after it reaches 0% battery level, and the charge, once it's completely depleted, when they try to charge it using the charging cable and adapter, the phone is not immediately turning on. It seems to be the black screen maintains for several hours, even more than 2 hours for some users, and they had to take it to service center in order to get it checked, and the service technicians seems to be performing a force restart type of procedure to boot the device once again to make it work normal. If you are using iPhone 17 models, no need to panic. This issue seems to be affecting very limited number of users. If you are experiencing similar issue, like after reaching 0% of your iPhone battery when you try to charge and the black screen is the one that you are seeing for several hours, then you can take it to Apple service center to get it diagnosed whether any hardware defect is present or not. Within 1 year, whether you have Apple Care Plus or not, the Apple Service Center will take care of any sort of manufacturing defect. If you have Apple Care Plus, then for 2 years, you are completely covered for any issues related to manufacturing defect, and you don't have to pay even the claim fee in such cases. If it is a hardware defect, then it is possible we may see the service program officially announced by Apple for such limited number of devices or such manufactured certain batch units for iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max models. So far, there are no complaints from iPhone Air users, it seems. Over the upcoming weeks, I will be closely following what the Apple side response is going to be for this specific issue, as it has been raised in Apple support communities and several Reddit discussions are also started to report the issue. My friends are using iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. I'm using iPhone 17. I have done a couple of times, up to 0%, and then I charged the device and it was working perfectly fine so far. So the issue seems to be not affecting all the iPhone 17 models, and you don't have to worry if you're using iPhone 17 device. Just follow the steps as I have suggested. Before going to the Apple Service Center, you can try one other troubleshooting step suggested by the fellow users who have made it work when the phone is not booting up after the charge reaches 0%. Like, connect the iPhone to the charging cable, let it charge for a few minutes. After that, press the volume up button once, then release it, volume down button once, then immediately release it, then press and hold the side button or the power button for few seconds, like 10 to 20 seconds maximum, till you see the Apple logo. Then you can release the side button. The force restart similar sequence helps to boot up the device when it is not turning on. It does seems to be a software related issue or a charging logic behavior. So if there is any manufacturing defect, I'll update it further based on Apple's side explanation. And if you are looking for any free expense tracker for your iPhone, check out the Spensio app. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first pinned comment. It has a complete free expense tracker and a limited set of features for subscription tracker and loans EMI dues tracker. Don't pay for subscriptions that you are not using anymore. Keep track all your subscriptions at one place and cancel them. Save your overall subscription fees and avoid paying penalties for the loans and EMIs that you have to pay by getting early reminders from our Spensio app. No advertisements, and it is completely free to use. If you like to go for the Pro version to unlock all the features, it has a very affordable monthly and yearly subscription to go easy on your wallet. Thank you so much for watching. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.